How to turn on screen mirroring on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on screen mirroring on your iPhone. Whether you want to mirror your phone to a smart TV, Apple TV, or another compatible device, I'll walk you through the process step by step. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. Once you have opened it, simply scroll down and tap on Generals. And once you are inside the General section, simply tap on AirPlay and Handoff. AirPlay is Apple version of screen mirroring, so this is where we will adjust the necessary settings. Now under the AirPlay option, you will see automatically AirPlay to TV. Tap on this and you will have three choices: never, ask and automatic. For more control, I recommend selecting ask. This way your iPhone will notify you when it detects a device for screen mirroring. Now that the settings are adjusted, simply swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open the control center. Look for the icon with two overlapping rectangles. That's the screen mirroring option. Tap on it to proceed. After tapping on screen mirroring icon, your iPhone will display a list of nearby devices that support AirPlay. If your TV, computer, or external devices appear, simply tap on it to connect, and your iPhone screen will then start mirroring to the selected device. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.